Hello everyone, we are group number 4 and this is our accounting information systems presentation. Our group consists of 5 members: Sandeep Bahia, Hina Verma, Mukhtar Abubakar, Savas Limboris and myself, Mohammed Sami Khan. And our project is based on the online fashionable clothing retailer ASOS. Our next slide shows background information of ASOS as a business. It was established in 2000 by Nick Robertson. It's an online fashion store selling high street brands and designer labels. The website sells products in categories which include menswear, women's wear, footwear, jewelries and beauty products. ASOS has more than 700 employees and it's the largest online retailer for fashion in the UK. ASOS has grown from strength to strength since it began and has shown rapid growth over the years. Just as an example, we've chosen this article from the BBC website which shows that the revenue rose to £217 million, which is a 50% increase on last year, and the overseas growth has also doubled. Pre-tax profit has decreased from £7 million last year to £4.5 million, but this has been caused due to a big investment of £7 million on warehouse expenses, which is most certainly caused by the expansion of the business. Our next slide shows the business model of ASOS. The business model that ASOS uses is a business to customer via e-commerce. The business's key partners are their suppliers, delivery companies, social networking sites for advertisement, and payment transaction website PayPal. ASOS is a fashionable brand website. It has a large database and also, crucially, a website development team. ASOS provides its customers with high quality and high fashion products with a free, fast, worldwide delivery, and it promotes its products with sales discounts. The company attracts mainly customers aged 16 to 34. Each customer has their own personal accounts and can find information about the offers and products when they access the website. The company's expenses include the purchase cost, holding cost, delivery and shipment cost, and marketing and advertisement cost. Company gains revenue by selling products and makes profits by simply selling at a higher price than the price they've paid for the product. Extra revenue is generated during promotional periods. The next slide shows the importance of information system with ASOS. It plays a major role in the success and growth of the company. Information system helps ASOS with most business and operation processes that take place. Information system is also very helpful for decision-making processes. Information system also helps the procurement process and electronic transfer of data and information between companies, and this can be done using electronic data interchange. It also helps ASOS with customer relationship management, which is about using technology to organize, automate, and synchronize business processes with the aim of attracting new and existing customers. The next slide shows the entity relationship diagram for ASOS. Entities are connected through relationships which include one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many. And every entity has its primary key, which is a foreign key in another entity, and therefore helps create a link between the two entities. If we take the customer entity as an example, its attributes are listed below, such as payment types, customer name, and address. And the primary key for this entity is customer ID. The customer entity has a many-to-many relationship with the product entity on the bottom right-hand side of the diagram. This simply means that every customer is allowed to view and purchase many products, and every product can be bought by many customers. These entities are then created as tables in the ASOS database, and their attributes are created as the fields for each table. Our next slide shows the database tables from the ASOS database. The database is the back office of the website. There's a constant link between the website and the database as the website sends and receives information from the database before carrying out any task. This includes things such as checking for availability for a size of a product, or even a confirmation of an order. The main tables in the database are customer, order, product, and supplier. Customer table shows the information about the customer as shown in the screenshot, such as name, email ID, phone number, and payment methods. The order table here shows the total of each order, the product IDs, and the customer IDs, and other information which is relevant to orders made on the website. The product table and supplier table are the other two very important parts of the database. Product table, as shown in the screenshot, includes the fields that are relative to the products on the website. For example, product name, ID, departments, price, and the suppliers who supply the products to ASOS. The supplier table shows the fields that are relevant to all suppliers, which include the supplier name, the type of products they produce, and the country they are located in. These tables and the information they contain can be used to create queries and provide managers with combined information which would then help them with the decision making. Our next slide shows the general ledger accounts of ASOS. General ledgers are accounts of final entries summarizing the company's final transactions. The purchase ledger shows all the entries of purchases made from the suppliers. Premier Fashion is one of the many payable accounts who supply products to ASOS, and we are able to see how the figures on the Premier Fashion account reconcile with the figures on the purchase ledger account. The sales ledger account records the entries from the sales made to customers. Michelle William is one of the many customer accounts who have purchased from ASOS, and we are able to see that the figures on Michelle Williams' accounts are the same as the figures on the sales ledger account. Bank account shows all the payment transactions, the credit side shows all the payments made to suppliers, and the debit side shows all the payments received from customers. When we can see that all the figures reconcile and we can see that the figures are in the right place in the accounts, this means that the entries have been made correctly. Our next slide shows the spreadsheet of ASOS. The spreadsheet is based on the information from the database and is created to help the financial managers of ASOS with their decision making. The table shows the sales revenue of products sold and profit margins for every product. The bar graph on top relates to the table and shows the profit margins for each product. This information can be used to determine which products are in fashion and in what quantities each product should be ordered. The pie chart on the left shows the sales revenue for each product, and it may be used to determine which products are bringing in the most revenue compared to other products. The next slide shows another table and another graph providing more information to the managers. The table shows the cost of purchases and the quantity of each product ordered, sold and remaining. The bar graph then compares the remaining inventory to the quantity ordered. This information may be used by the managers in order to decide when each product should be ordered. We have a video showing how a usual customer would access the website and how it works. We access the web page by entering the web address www.asos.com. The home page appears in front of us and we are able to see the menu bar on top left hand side of the page. The special offers and sales discounts are also shown on the top of the page. The customer may browse any product they want to purchase using any of the menu options available. When the customer has chosen the product they want to view, the product's web page provides the customer with all the information they need to know about the product. The customer can then see the size and color availability of the product, and then the customer may add the product to the virtual shopping bag on the website. A customer may add more than one product to the basket and the shopping bag will show the total cost of the order. When they have added all the items they want to purchase, they may proceed to checkout. The customer is then asked to enter their account details, and if there is a new customer, then they will have to create an account before they can purchase the product. When they proceed to checkout, the customer may choose their preferred payment methods and provide the details needed for the payment transaction to be confirmed. Once confirmed, the order is then processed as a transaction is made, and an employee is assigned in the warehouse with the job of collecting the products and then providing them to the delivery service. The delivery service, for example DHL, then delivers to the address provided by the customer. At the end, I'd just like to say thanks for all the viewers for taking the time out to watch our presentation. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.